Today I'll be installing the Chicago faucet. Pretty easy. This comes with a built-in sensor. Pretty nice. Chrome aerodynamic, as you can see. That's just inserted in here. We got to put the gasket on first. Okay, gasket goes in here. Drop it inside. Looks nice. I would just use these things to fasten it from the bottom. This Allen key is just for the whenever you need to take it apart in the future. There's a screw back here. Whenever you got to replace the battery inside.
Yeah, all right, come on back.
Goes in this way. So the screw slides in here. Then we take this piece, see the groove here for the, you could put a flathead screwdriver in here. Alright, put it in this way. Just give it a little snug. Then you could just go right back up and position it. Make sure it's straight. looks pretty good there. Pretty centered with the drain. Okay, now we tighten it up a little bit better. You could use short pliers. I usually use this little short channel lock. And don't over tighten. You don't have to over tighten it. That's it. Because this piece is plastic. You don't want to crack that. Alright, now this one line. Reason why there's one line is because this already has a mixing valve. See? One side is attached to the hot water. Other side is attached to the cold. So when you turn on that, when the faucet turns on, water goes in mixed already. Sometimes if the water's either too hot or too cold, you could always just go back on one of these or forward, whatever. If you want to add more water, let more water flow through. This is a hot, cold. If it's too hot, you just open up the cold a little more. Normally they go open all the way. But if you got too much cold water, you just go back a little. Turn off the cold a little. Make sure the valves, no matter what, are open up all the way. That's only if you need to. Yeah. Now we'll give it a little tighten. This one you could tighten up make it a little nice and snug. Make sure you hold back on this one here when you're tightening up that top one. And you do that, you need 2 pliers to do that. Put one here in the bottom. The other one goes on the top to turn. Because if you don't do that, you could break something. And no need to put so much force into it. Alright, once you're done with these type of systems, you're gonna need a key like this. It's a 4-way key. Then you just open it up slowly.
22 and 14.
All the way. Then you open up the other one. All right, looks good. Let's see how it works. I gotta put on the strainer now. Goes right in here. The aerator. This is called the aerator.